With IELTS Online, you can take the world's leading English language test from the comfort of your own home or private space. Here are 4 simple steps to set up your space to take IELTS Online. Step 1. You need a test room that's private, not shared with anyone else, quiet, no noise in the background, and clear, free from items like bookshelves, plants, or posters. Make sure the room is well lit too, so your face can be seen clearly. Step 2. You need to get your desk area ready. Sit or stand at a clear, open table surface. It should be just you, your computer, passport, permitted electronic devices, and a clear glass or clear and unlabeled water bottle. No pens, paper, food, or anything else. You should also ensure there are no books or written materials near you or your desk. Step 3. You need to prepare your electronic devices. Check that your devices are working correctly, plugged in, and connected to the internet with a stable connection. Mobile hotspots are not allowed. The only electronic devices you should have in the space are a computer. This can be a laptop or desktop with a wired or inbuilt microphone and speaker. A keyboard. This should be set to UK, US, or Australian English. A mouse, a computer camera, and a handheld device, like a mobile phone or tablet, to show your monitor and keyboard area to the greeter. Don't forget to clean your camera lens before the test so videos and photos are good quality. When the greeter has checked your desk area, simply turn off the handheld device and place it out of reach. Step 4. You need to remove any of these items from the space. Headphones, headsets, or any kind of ear device, any non-religious head or face coverings, watches and jewelry, any kind of Bluetooth technology, any additional monitors, external memory storage devices like USBs, and printers or any other non-essential devices. So, to recap those steps, it's 1. A private, quiet test room. 2. An item-free desk area. 3. Permitted electronic devices checked and prepared. 4. Any non-permitted items or devices removed. Now you're all set and ready to take IELTS Online. Take it anywhere to make it anywhere.